Okay, guys, now I can start my revealing of what is inside here. Hello, friends, welcome to our channel where we will enjoy to interact and learn from each other. Our channel is all about lifestyle, traveling, cooking, shopping, and many other things that involve our daily life. Let's rock this together by subscribing, commenting so that I can learn from you guys. Cheers! Cheers, guys. Okay, guys, I've been drinking red wine. Hello, guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. We are still in this pandemic situation. Okay, guys, so we are going to open something I bought in Venice. In October we went to Venice and Milan, and in Milan we were there like for 2 days only, and then we went to Venice, and then I bought something in Venice actually, and it was kind of like I wanted to buy only one thing in Venice, and then I lost my little coin purse. I lost it in Italy. Actually, it's not that somebody was kind of like stealing it. No, we forgot it in a restaurant, and then I don't know how many euros were there, kind of like maybe 10 euros, and then I forgot that. And then I was kind of, I was like, oh my goodness, my favorite small coin piece. And then I was like, what am I going to do? And then I was like, okay, I can buy another piece. And that's how I was like, oh, I have planned to buy something in Hermès. So let me also buy the small piece actually. So I ended up buying also a small piece in Hermès. So guys, we are going to open what is in here. Okay, so I'm going to show you again the video about our traveling in Milan and Venice, and I'm still editing it. I want to shorten it because it was kind of like over 30 minutes, and I don't like my videos to be like 30 minutes, so I will actually post after this. So look out, the way my kids, they were enjoying gondola ride. So guys, let me show you. So let's see what is inside, guys. Hope you're going to see. Let me try to do this, or let me try to put in my camera so you can have a proper look maybe, or I can just do this. Okay, so we are going to start with this one. What is in this small little box? So here, let me try to turn the camera so we can do it properly. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, now I can start my revealing of what is inside here. So you can see, guys, you can have a look. Then let's see. Oh my goodness, what's going on with? Okay, yes, you can have a look. We open. Then we open. And then here we are. Guys, this is the little purse coin that I had to buy, and I was really, it's just look at the way, the color and everything. Let me try to open it for you, and here you can have a look. Guys. You see how it's looking like. Oh, then my coins are there, you know. I'm so happy. I was like, oh, I'm going to replace. Also, the one I lost was actually, I think, also in the yellow, this type of the color. I think so. And then I was like, I'm going to get it. So this is the one. And then let me try now to show you another thing that I bought. So we are going to open what is also here. Okay, so here you are, guys. You can have a look. It's open and you can see what is inside. And here you go. So you can have a look, guys. Here you go, guys. And then you know what is here? This is my small accessory. You can have a look. This color, I loved this color. And you know, you can, the way you can accessory it, you can make it to your handbag as accessory, or you can put it you know, like you know, there's a lot of ways you can do this. And just, I love the color. It's complemented most of the colors I love also, you know. So okay, guys, you have seen these accessories that I bought, you know, this little coin piece, you know, and this little, you know, you can accessories you can put here, or you can add it to your, you know, you can tie it to your handbag. Most of the time what I do, I love to, because I have like kind of like certain dresses, and actually I love to do this. I have like now, I think this is now my second I think so, from Hermès, this accessory. So kind of like that one is a lot of nude color. This one is like, you can have a look. Guys, hope you enjoyed watching the video, the revealing of some of the prestigious small items that I bought. And hope you're going to also enjoy the next video, the one I'm going to do it in when we were in Venice and Milan. In Milan, it's kind of like a short one, and in Venice, kind of like it's really, really long. That's why I'm kind of like, I need to shorten it. When I put everything together, it's kind of like more than 30 minutes, and I don't like that. So bye-bye, guys. Enjoy the festival season, and happy 2022, guys. Bye.